Good morning, student. This is your computer teacher Nagendra Kumar. I hope you all are fine at your home. Student, I had discussed various topics of Java in my different videos. Now today I am going to discuss how can you prepare your project file. In this video, I am going to clear your all doubts about project file. The first thing I would like to share about your project is of 100 marks. It is of your 100 marks. So it is very important for you. Student, first use this type of practical file for your project. This is a cover file in which we have to attach separate sheet. Now student, use this type of separate sheets for writing the programs of Java. This is a simple A4 size sheet. Now the next thing is how many program you have to write in your project. So we have to write at least 25 programs on different topics of Java. At least 25 means not only 25, we have to write more programs. Student, we have to write program on this topic. The first one is the decision making, if else, if and switch. All of the decision making, and in the class uh, 8 you have to also make different program on this topic. The second topic of your looping statement. For, while and do while are the three types of looping statement in Java. We can you can make various program over this topic. The third one is the programs based on nested loop, and fourth one is the menu driven program. So then you have to write 5 program on each topic. Student, do not forget to write variable description after each program. After completing the program, at the last you have to write variable description that contain name of the variable, data type and description of the variable. I have written the format for your variable description. First, in first column we have to write the variable name, in second column its data type, and third column the purpose. For example, num is a variable here, then its data type is of int and the purpose is to input a number. Apart from the programs, you must include the front page, acknowledgement page, the content page or index page, then conclusion and bibliography in your project file. Here I have given the 4 picture for your different topic. Student, you have to prepare your front page like this. Your front page contain the heading like your school name, subject, session in bold letter, and you have to write your name, class, section and roll number in the bottom of the page. Now, a student, here I have written some simple programs of Java for your project. I have read out these programs. The first one is write a program in Java to find the area, perimeter and the diagonal of a square when the side of a square is given, that is 25 centimeter. The second program, write a program to calculate simple interest where principal rate and time is entered by user. We have to enter the principal rate and the time, and then we have to calculate the simple interest. This is simple program. The third one is the write a program to input the value of 3 numbers and calculate its sum and average. The fourth program is write a program to accept the number of days and display after converting into number of years, months and days. The fifth one, write a program to input name and basic salary of an employee and then calculate and display the gross salary and net salary when the DNS allowance is equal to 30% of the basic, HRA house rent allowance is equal to 12.5% of the basic, and PF is 10% of basic. Then for the gross is the basic plus DA plus HRI. This is the gross salary, and net, you calculate the net salary after deducting the PF from the gross. Now student, I have again write some program on the topic decision making statement. The first program is write a program to read an integer and check whether it is an even number or odd number. The second program is write a program that takes an integer and test whether it is divisible by 5 or not. Third program, write a program to input three numbers and find the greatest number between three using if statement, if or if else statement. Fourth program, write a program that reads 4-digit year and check whether it is a leap year or not. And the fifth program, write a program to accept length and breadth of a rectangle and calculate and display the area, perimeter or diagonal of the rectangle as per the user choice. If the user input 1, then it displays the area. If user input 2, then it displays the perimeter, and if the user enter 3, then it displays the diagonal of the rectangle. And if the user enter 4, it exit from the program. This is the user choice program. So in this way we can make several program on. There are too many programs over the decision making statement, so we can write more programs over this topic. So student, once again I am going to explain what explain the complete task for your project. The first one is the you will be required to submit a practical file that is containing the 5 program on each topic. It contains 5 programs on each topic. That topic I have explained earlier. The second one, they use separate practical file sheet for writing the program of Java. Third, write variable description after each program. Fourth one is the you have to include front page acknowledgement, content index, conclusion and bibliography page in your project. The fifth one is the front page contain the heading like your school name, subject and session. You have to also write your name, class and section and roll number at the bottom of your front page. And sixth thing is use black pen for writing practical file. So then that's all about your project. I think you are clear all that I have clear all your doubts in about your project. So stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.